Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Customers of the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS, are being warned to brace for power outages. The company gave an update today at a press briefing at the office of the Prime Minister.
We have faced multiple weeks of significant rainfall. What does that mean for us? The ground is saturated. Saturated ground combined with increased rainfall in the order of what I'm hearing 6 to 12 inches, plus winds sustained in the order of 50 miles per hour, increases the likelihood of power outages. So I'm standing here to let you know the lights are going to go out. So let us plan for the lights going out. With that being said, we are committed, we are positioned, we are resourced, and we stand ready.
Chief Executive Officer Hugh Grant says additional resources have also been brought in and deployed to help with response.
On the ground right now that we brought in from our peer Caribbean utilities to help in regards to line workers and storm response. So we are expecting in the order of 60 additional line workers to augment and bolster our internal workforce. Just by order of magnitude, that's upward of 30%. That right there is game-changing.
A new study is shedding light on just how one of Jamaica's top liquor brands contributes to the national economy. Red Stripe released the findings of its 2024 Social Impact Assessment. Details in this report. It's one of Jamaica's most recognizable brands, and Red Stripe's impact continues to go beyond the bottle. According to the company's Socio-Economic Impact Assessment study conducted in 2024, the beer contributed 1.5% of Jamaica's gross domestic product, injecting $45.3 billion into the economy.
It's such a broad ecosystem. So when people think of a Red Stripe on a shelf, it's impacting the people who supply the products, the people who support us with marketing, the people who support the services, the logistics, the transportation, and beyond that as well, those who sell our products.
The findings come at a time when local manufacturers continue to face pressure from rising input costs and global competition. Diane Ashton-Smith is head of corporate affairs at Red Stripe.
We've seen year-on-year increases, even in those very difficult times. And I think it's something we say always about our employees in particular, how resilient we are. Good paying jobs continue to be a major issue in the country, despite significant gains in recent months. According to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin, the overall unemployment rate was 3.3% in both April and July. With calls for the private sector to do more, Ms. Ashton-Smith says Red Stripe is already playing its part. For every Red Stripe employee that's employed to Red Stripe, 37 families are impacted through jobs. So it means therefore that Red Stripe being a part of this entire ecosystem contributes in a very big way to taxes, to the gross domestic product of Jamaica, and certainly employment. And I think that's huge.
As the company looks ahead, focus is being placed on expanding local production capacity and strengthening resilience in the manufacturing sector.
We're always innovating, we're always doing amazing things. So all I will say is continue to watch this space. It's going to get extremely exciting in 2026.
The JSE index advanced by 1,542 points, while the junior market index declined by 14 points. The winners were led by Cygnus Credit Investments 8% preference shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Knutsford Express, Mayberry Group, and KLE Group. The losers include JFP, First Rock Real Estate Investments, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Cygnus Real Estate Financial US Dollar Share, and VM Investments. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $161.23. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.62. The pound is going for $216.55, while the euro is selling for an average $186.61. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.